During days of early spring, the first welcoming green in my garden are weeds. I'm genuinely impressed to see their desire to live and flourish no matter what. Weeds celebrate life. Their multitude is strong and tenacious. At the beginning of my gardening time, weeds were enemy. I disliked weeding. I looked another way and didn't want to spend time pulling those plants out of the ground and knowing that tomorrow another one will grow. I didn't realize that garden is all about those humble jobs of pulling, trimming, nurturing, watering, and weeding. So how did I fall in love with humble job of weeding, you might ask? Well, this is my story. The other day I was talking to a gardener from New Jersey, and this video is for her. She told me that she has a lot of weeds in her garden, and when she sees those pesky friends in the garden, she runs another way. And as a result, weeds are having a wonderful party in her garden. Many years ago, I was a young mother with 3 little children, no extra time to spend at all. And suddenly, even a humble task of weeding without interruptions or multitasking was a sheer luxury. I remember that I was holding a heavy sleeping toddler in my arms, and I was looking longingly outside, looking at all those weeds sitting there basking in the sun, glorious and wonderful. And weeding and other humble things in the garden became a luxury for me, a time to relax, a time to disconnect from gadgets, a time to become quiet and focused, a time to spend with nature and birds. I'm not going to teach you the best strategies how to tackle weeds. This video is about how to fall in love with the hard job of a gardener. Try to combine a difficult time of weeding with other pleasant emotions in your garden, even if it's just several minutes a day. You have a minute, you go outside and you pull a weed here and there. And eventually you will start enjoying it, because those time in the garden with your weeds would be a relaxing, quiet times. Very often in the morning you can find me in the garden, poking around, pulling weeds here and there, fixing this and that before breakfast. And I love it. It's a time to be in the garden and do those humble tasks. So do it often, do it every day, even if it's just several minutes, and you will fall in love with weeding and other things in the garden. And please don't forget to take breaks and to enjoy your garden, to sit around and look around, to study your plants and know them well. That also will bring you a lot of confidence and enjoyment from beautiful things growing in your garden.